I know my people, how na dey? Also na dey fine. You get wetin they go for social media since then. I dey use one eye take dey look am, make I understand wetin just really dey go. I come see am say about Osahneoma say we. E get video wey be say Sandra come dey do. So they come dey talk for inside there. Now the way Kpekus no Clappertail. Make we listen small.
Where they are to the Clappertail.
Osahneoma, what they are saying.
Aba, what they are saying. What they are Clappertail.
But I no vex, so I laugh. Oh. But I no vex, say I laugh. You see, e still get another video where be say Sandra Agbogun with this one, where this video where they where they for sit down. So he want try to like come turn and say wetin dem talk for there. You know, they talk to women wey be say e dey for abroad. I no even see the full video. Me I watch whether even they talk to women wey dey for abroad or now women just they talk to. Osahneoma, oh yes, say we. You know what here? Where emi ni mi ba gbon ni yazere. Emi na mi ba gbon na yazere. Emi nu mi e utai. Emi nu mi e utai. You understand? See, I'm not to blame Osahneoma too much. Although say na because of say na musician, na person wey dey popular, wey dem dey hear in name, and na make us one draw ear. Next time, I respect you, okay? Because you go dey respect women. No go join those one wey be say no tell where you have equal. All women Kpekus na ege ave potopoto yan. No go join them. I know say some women they're not good though. Some married women they're not good. I see say the way many people take carry the video, then they saw Osahneoma say they not blame you. Now those women will be say that they carry their body go they meet una for Nigeria. Not be with the talk since you'll see some women for this abroad, because of say he born for man, because of say the man never put money for his head, he go balekbo, he go see man for bongo. You go see man. Oh yeah, mo Kpekus. Oh yeah, mo no kpia. Woman like that, a man want to respect her. Sister, you where they watch me talk am. You as a woman, if you not respect yourself, no expect say man go come respect you. You understand? No expect say man go come respect you. Now you as a woman, I go respect yourself. Some of our women, they I don't know, they not get shame. The time when they grow come that and they'll say, I keep with the bread the jedo. Nowadays, they'll just carry their money, they work finish. They'll say they don't see man for abroad. As abroad, you're big rich. Una le o Germany, una le Austria, Belgium, Holland, Italy, Spain, here, France, you lay ya, you pass all, you not come see man. You go say na Nigeria, now you want go find man. They say na wetin your person, that person they do. If you not your mama, as far as say you don't go see man for that side now. Wetin they like, they use your Kpekus to do now. Wetin come concern us? Because as soon as just they turn back, they come. They say they you only know when you're away, they don't use that throw away. Na Kpekus come the Clappertail. Clappertail, saloboa. The Kpekus the Clappertail. They use na Kpekus content they yeah away. Yeah, you need the last sample for inside. Most of all those women will be saying they not get shame, will be saying then they carry their Kpekus, they go Nigeria. They say they not see man for year. Then they made them they carry go Nigeria. Most of them, what they see for that side, she not go let them talk and come out for months. Not be lie. Because why? All those men, they will use them finish, they will throw away them. They will say their Kpekus, they Clappertail. They no say no matter. And you know me your tie. Man are not to blame her. It's just that you have to respect women. But some women, they know they respect themselves. What you say me we can't do now? And most of them know they respect themselves. Their Kpekus don't fool everywhere. You understand? You as a woman, if you not respect yourself, you are on your own. Nobody gonna respect you. But I know man not they talk to every women, all women. No. Now those one will not get shame. Where their Kpekus they Clappertail for a corner. Now so some still they will say they marry Oyibo. They many. They will say they marry Oyibo. They will leave Oyibo for year. They will go they wake here for Bogo. My sister, my brother, I not blame you, Now because of say I respect who, that's all. But some of them, they not they respect themselves. Now so you'll see some women where marry Oyibo. You go they born Daki, or I be Daki nebo. Daki, always say what do. You know, say then they see a chocolate. Do you not go even see chocolate, bebani? Or money was see what do. When a black man beer, you know, say that they know then. And you're back for a bobo, they no go get them. So that kind of woman who go can't respect you. That kind of woman now say no man they talk. Any win la pate. What give my temata? Any win la pate. I see there for Nigeria. Now say still there for abroad. Though. Not be only because of say abroad. Though. Not be same only for because abroad. Though. I see there for abroad. Now so it's still just still there for Nigeria. You need respect. They don't they respect themselves. They don't know what to be respect. If you respect yourself, man go respect you. You as a married woman where be say you get husband for year. You go buy tickets. You will go Nigeria. Why you go leki bieka? You will to last send you where umukba. Ebola wey go dey see once in a year, abi 2 times in a year, because you can't pass where you dey, you not can't see anybody wey wan carry you. You say all the men wey dey for here, they not good, they not get character. You say na the one wey dey Nigeria, where they use una Kpekus, they say una Kpekus de la pate na una one. Na, emi no mie wa ota o wa gbebe. Emi ni mie ba gbon ni ya zere, e obiedeta. Just where you have to respect women, good and fine. Women, why we are respecting Boa? Abu no la pate. I Kpekus no la pate. They go lead their husband for year. They go run, go Nigeria. Most of our women, now because of say all these our Benin boys where they for Nigeria, they know what made they come they explode zona. Yeah, what do I explode zona? For it, they say you will see them. Yeah, okay, hotel, jump, let the other one. Not be like then they. If you never marry, I know they talk to you. If you never marry, you are not here. Anywhere where you like carry your Kpekus go. Because if you not carry and go anywhere, you not go see husband. Because maybe now you carry and go somewhere, you can't see your husband. You see all those one where say they don't marry. And some of them, because of say they never put money for their head, they'll come they misbehave. Now mama go your money, go your money. Now all those one, now they are Kpekus de la pate. They will deal with man for house. As far as say you deal with man for house, it's not automatic your husband because with time go your one. Any ata na we ohinya la pate. Because also on that why you gonna roll word. Only now why you gonna roll word ohinya la pate. Ohinya la pate. So we way. Ya. Uhe so wa la pate o wa la pate lele ya. Awinya ya o ya bego man no mo se. Don't you the way wa la pateri in Nigeria. My brother, I not to blame you. Emi no me because when we genia na musician na be na wetu na say na take dey sing. Emi na we me o teta. It's just that we not tie any nia. Understand? O ma dejo very only. Who we some of them. Iko ya ni rowodo. Ko ni rowodo no wa ene gbenya wa mi ruwe. No ma ene gbenya wa mi ruwe. Or see I wanna just sing. I mean no ma ene gbenya ko ni akwa. They go pass lego doni. You know? Because nya wa agio bo agio so now I make me I day my day. You see me, person like me now. I married for many years. I don't need that. I be that kind of one or Igbo wife where he marry for re. You understand? Marry for re. Kpekus when I gold equal. Konkinya moto. You not go see her. You not go even see me say maybe I know this woman for so place. Now so we come they talk. I don't get that time. Some people they think say I be South America. All those you understand? But I so tale. They go marry Oyibo. They go dinya gbelekie daki yuwe. Any ni awinya la pate. They know they respect themselves. Then they think say na the other man they now yourself you they do sister. Uwe ala pate lele ya hiave la pate Kpekus. Oh Jesus Christ. So all la pate se ge dian. All la pate ario bonokpa. Now say no man they talk to. Even no yere mi ota. Wawe talohere wawe hewe. Because my social media not aware. I will nege. I will nenemi. I will not ba. Emini ya mi yata. Ya ata ni ame ya ha because or we may a good no. I mean a good ni. Uke wata me we how are you? Ya wa nya poto yo to come do. The menu any yaka. Any yaka. Also wa we gwihere wa we zobo because if we meso nya sakan gbe abe la pate Kpekus. Ya sakan gbe okay ke ma tema ya worst jo. They go the worst every blessed day. Hell, as I see I say make I shook my mouth put small. Say no ma respect who ya we so wo I go we gbigbe e so wo yan keke. Ya go. Na bye bye.